Hello, just a quick look at nuclear symbols. So these are symbols that can quickly tell you what element you're looking at, how many neutrons there are, how many protons there are, and also how many electrons. So when you see a nuclear symbol, you're going to see first the elemental symbol written here, and then you're going to have a place to the upper left of that, which is where you write the mass number, and a place to the bottom left, which is where you write the atomic number. The mass number equals the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. That's the number of nucleons that a particular atom has. 26 is the atomic number. That's only the number of protons in a particular atom. So if we don't see a charge here, that means it's neutral. And if it's neutral, the atom's going to have the same number of electrons as protons, giving it no charge. So for these, we can count. We can say, okay, how many protons, how many neutrons, how many electrons for this particular thing. Let me get rid of this. I'm going to use the symbols P plus, N with a little 0, and then E with a minus. For protons, protons is right there. The number, iron always has 26 protons. There's no other variety. If that number were different, you would have a different element. So if you see the periodic tables numbered 1 to 118 now, there's 118 different elements based on a different number of protons. So it's 26. The number of neutrons is the difference between these two numbers. This 56. There's 56 total nucleons, neutrons and protons, and 26 protons, so we got 30. And like we said, there's no charge. We don't see a charge. Since there's no charge, there are 26 electrons. All right, so that takes care of atoms. Atoms don't have a charge, right? In chemistry, if you have the same number of protons and electrons for a particular atom, we call that an atom. If a particular atom loses some electrons or gains some electrons, then we call it an ion. So this one, we can see, this is iron. This would be called iron 2. It's an ion, the way it's written. So there's a +2 charge, I've written here in the box. If you have a positive charge, that means electrons have been lost. You have to have more protons than electrons to have a +2 charge. If it were negative, it would have gained electrons. So we do protons. Protons is the same. This is still iron. 26 protons. 56, there's still 56 minus 26, there's still 30 neutrons. But now we have a 2+ charge, so it means it lost 2 electrons, so there's only going to be 24. So that's how you look at a nuclear symbol and determine protons, neutrons, and electrons for any atom, which would be neutral, or ion, which would be charged. We call it a cation if it's positive. And an anion if it's a negative ion. So negative ion, anion, positive ion, cation.